Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I have something that has not been on my channel in quite some time, and that's a Nadine West bag. So I have not done Nadine West or received Nadine West bags in a little while. Just wasn't really getting any items that I was thrilled with, and so I thought, let me cancel it because it just wasn't the subscription for me. Thought I canceled it, but I think I just ended up putting it on hold because I got an email saying that my hold was up and they were trying to send me another bag. So I figured, well, let me give them another chance. I do see some other YouTubers receive some awesome Nadine West bags, and I always comment on their videos that if I had received that type of bag, then I would have continued my Nadine West subscription service because the prices are a little bit lower than some of the other services, and I just wasn't getting the same styles as they were. So I thought, but let me give it another try, see if things have changed. Why not? So let's go through my bag. With Nadine West, you pay $9.78 for your shipping, but that does get credited to anything in your bag you keep. You have to send everything back in the same pink bag, so you have to be careful how you cut it open. And then they send you a label, so you just put the label back on the front and then drop it off at the post office or put it in your mailbox. All right, let's see. Have things changed? Have things changed? So I did take everything out of the tissue, but I really haven't gone through it, and I haven't tried anything on yet, so we'll do that together. So the first pair of pants are by Ambiance Apparel, and they are a pair of wrinkled pants. They are navy, so I like the color, and they're a loose, flowy pant. And then they are an elastic waistband. This is not a drawstring, but they do tie in the front. So we'll try those on, but I can tell you I'm probably not gonna keep these because they're wrinkled as I pull them out of the bag. So I can only imagine how wrinkled they would get wearing them. The next thing I see is, this is by Popular 21. This is just a black t-shirt, but it does have on each sleeve a cutout detail. That's really cute. So here's the t-shirt. I like black t-shirts, so maybe that's gonna be a keeper. Okay, the next, this is a skirt. I don't really do skirts. This is by DNA Couture. And it looks like a black, looks like it would be too short for my liking anyway. The material, it's almost like a spandex. So I'll look at the materials. I'll tell you what it is when I try things on. And then, last piece of clothing already. Okay, so this is by Ambiance as well. And it looks like it's a cold shoulder top. And it's got like a ruffle detail in the front. White. We'll see how that fits. And I have a couple pieces of jewelry. So let's see. They come in bags like this. Sometimes those can be tricky though, because sometimes these get really tangled. At least that was my experience in the past. Yeah, see this, okay. Hang on. All right, so this is, I think it's by Boutique Jewelry. So here's the necklace. So that's kind of pretty. Kind of like that. I don't know if I would keep it, but. And then a bracelet. And this is a pretty silver bracelet. I do like this one a lot. This one's really pretty. I love kind of like the metal detail. So maybe this is a keeper. All right, but I'll go over prices of these two after. So let's get to the try on and see how things look. Am I gonna keep anything? We'll see, hang on. Okay, so this first top isn't bad. This is by Ambiance. They're calling this the Rima top in off-white, extra large, $24.49, and 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So I do like this top. I think it's cute. The only thing that I wish that was different about this top is that I wish the straps were a little bit wider here so that I can wear a regular bra. I don't think I'd pull for it as much because you have to wear a special bra. So I don't know, I think it's cute. It's very comfortable, it's very lightweight, it's very breathable. It is so hot here, so it feels nice to have something lightweight on. Here's the back. I like it, but we'll see. See how everything else looks. I'm gonna turn the camera down and show you the pants. They're a no, but I'm gonna show you anyway, so hang on 1 second. Okay, so these bottoms were also by the brand Ambiance, and they were called the Leilani, and they are in the color navy. They are only $14.49, so not a bad price. They're 100% rayon, so that's why they're so wrinkled. So they're kind of cute. It does have the tie here, which I like, and they are an elastic waistband, which is nice. And I like the color of them, but they are, look how long they are. I mean, I have a good, even with, like, if I put a pair of heels on, they would still be way too long. So for that reason, they're gonna have to go back, but they are very comfortable. I like them. I mean, I can't tell if I would like them or not because they're so long, but I do like the look of kind of a wider leg pants sometimes, so. But since they're too long, they're going back. All right, next top. Okay, so this top is by Popular 21, and they're calling this the the Kayla top. This top is $30.49. It is an extra large, and it is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Kind of feel like that's a little bit pricey for Nadine West, especially for what this top is, because it's basically just a basic black top. The length is nice, the material feels great. It does have the cute cutout sleeves on each side, but I just don't know if this top is worth the $30. I don't know. I don't think it is. Here's the back. Yeah, I don't think it is. So I think this one's going back, but I think I'm gonna try to see if the skirt fits, and then I'll go over the prices of the jewelry. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, this skirt is by DNA Couture, and they're calling this the Lane skirt in black, $11.99, so not bad. This is an extra large, and it is 95% polyester, which I am surprised about, and 5% spandex. So it is stretchy. I'm not keeping this. I'm not a skirt person, and it's very thick. It's just not for me. Yeah, I don't like it. So this one's gonna go back, but all right, I'll be right back. We'll do a recap and talk prices about the jewelry, so hang on one second. Okay, so the price of this necklace, they're calling this the Broken Lines necklace, and they're calling this a worn gold. It's $30.99. So here it is again, whoops. So it's pretty, but I'm not gonna pay $30.99 for this. I'm gonna send this one back. I don't know, I like it, but I don't love it, so that's why that one's going back. And then the bracelet I think I'm gonna keep. I don't have many silver bracelets. I have a lot of gold because I usually wear gold, but I am wearing silver a little bit more. And this one is really pretty. And this one, they're calling this the silver plated stretch bracelet, and it's $14.99, so not bad. So really, oh, if I could show you correctly, that would help, right? There you go. So I think this one's a keeper. As far as the clothes, I left them over there. So I don't know why I did that, but the skirt is going to go back. The pants are going to go back. The black top is gonna go back because of the price. It was cute, but it just, to me, in my opinion, is not worth that $30. I might keep that white top, but I'm not sure. So I think the only keeper from this bag is the bracelet. Let me know what you think. All right, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. Stay tuned for my next video. I've got more coming at you, so I will see you then.